Hi everyone! For today's video, let's make Puto or steamed rice cake. For the ingredients, you can check the description box below. In the mixing bowl, put sugar and milk. Whisk all together until sugar is dissolved. Beat 2 eggs, then place in the liquid ingredients, followed with melted butter. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence, then continue stirring. And now we are ready to add our dry ingredients. Let's place all-purpose flour, followed with rice flour, lastly, baking powder. Let's continue mixing until everything is well combined. Now we are ready to divide the mixture and we can put on the silicone molder. For your preference, you can put sliced or grated cheese on the top. Now we are ready to put in the boiling water and steam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, Puto or steamed rice cake is cooked already. This is the second batch, and in this procedure, I will steam the rice cake first, and before it reached 10 minutes, that's the only time I added the cheese. The cheese is already melted and we can remove from steam and give it time to let it cool. In this stage, we are unmolding the puto or rice cake. And now, Puto Or steamed rice cake is ready. And now, let's taste the rice cake. It's super soft and yummy. Until next vlog, thank you for watching.